Hey guys, how you doing today? I hope I find you well. So for today's video, we have Kit Kat cookie dough flavor. I don't know what it's about, but excuse me, it's obviously tastes like cookie dough, or so it seems. So let's see. We'll show you the Kit Kat bar. Tastes very good. I would buy that again, for sure. I mean, I bought this from Candy Funhouse, so to get it again, I gotta order a lot of stuff all at once to make more sense. But it tastes good. Just, I find that it tastes a lot like just a regular Kit Kat, like not much cookie dough flavor, but overall it's pretty good. So as usual, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, hit the bell icon to be notified every time I upload, and thank you for the over 2,660 some odd subscribers so far. You're all appreciated. Thank you so much for your subscriptions. Don't forget to keep checking me out on YouTube, and I hope you all have a great day. All right, guys, bye.